Saturday.
But that's not radio.
Yeah, check it out.
You said check on Saturday.
Huh?
You said check on Saturday.
Yeah, we're gonna go with your money.
With your buddy. The boy? The little boy? That's
Poo-poo.
We're going to take him.
Yeah.
He's going to the movie with us and you're going in another.
No, I'm gonna watch first.
With us?
Yep.
Where's your body sitting?
Can sit beside you. You
Our
want him to sit beside you?
Yeah.
How about you close up your legs?
That's where you're going, right?
But not for you, friend. Say you win like leather. No for them a fake friends, so them change up. But what I'm going to do is because the man go to one of our can't go look in the show of free. Me bring joy and happiness in your life, but you give me a complaint. Me they believe everything you tell me. Me they believe when you say you love me. We moving on to find our next boyfriend. But every man up you love somebody, yeah. I wish you the best. Hope you find joy and happiness. But what goes around comes back around. So when you do boyfriend start to yourself, remember you can't say me. Never love you, love can't say they treat you bad. You know they treat you bad. But you did say na-na-nina. Oh, na-na-nina. Yeah, na-na-nina. Yeah, na-na-nina. Sing it again. Da-da-nino. Da-na-nino. 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 From far and you and the next on a car. Links on a big yard sale, me you in a car. Drive car, not stop the man. You never believe that they would have reached you. You never believe the man would have dissed you. So you were big and a ball and a comb and me yard. I want me to hug up and kiss you where. I wish you the best. Hope you find joy and happiness.
Mommy, your boyfriend is out?
Back around so when you leave boyfriend start to yourself. But you can't say me never leave you. Love can't say me treat you bad. You know me take you
This ass block on the road, man. Like, what is it about?
Da-na-nino, da-na-nino.
Yo, I'm gonna drive with that car.
What?
Yo! Damn! Scared the hell out of me,
You
man.
guys are going where? Rituals or Wendy's?
Wendy's.
Diana, Rituals or Wendy's?
My ritual.
Rituals. Daddy, you can take them to Rituals for me, please.
Where that there?
Right here.
Where?
Let me see the video. That means I can't get Wendy's, right, Mommy?
Yeah.